Hi, welcome to our YouTube overview of how you can use OBS and an extension from Google Chrome Store to overlay live chat comments onto your live streams, which is a really good way to interact and engage with your audience. And I'm going to show you today how you can do that and how you can set up these live chat overlays and link them through using OBS. And it's a really good way to engage with your audience. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go into your Google Chrome Store, which I've typed in here. So if you go in there, and you'll see there's a series of extensions that you can access. So what you need to do is you need to type in live chat overlays, and if we just hit enter, you'll see this one with the black dots here is the one that you need. There is another one with a red symbol and white dots, but you want the black one with the white dots. So if you click on this one, and then what you need to do is you need to click the add to Chrome. So if you click that there and add the extension, so that extension has now been added, and you can see actually up in the top a little extension jigsaw piece. So what I like to do is I like to pin this to my taskbar at the top, so you can now see that's added. And once you've done that, you can set this up. So if you double click on it, onto the live chat overlay, you can see all the different things that you can do. And actually this is how your comment will look once you bring this through into OBS. So you'll literally have the person's sort of symbol, you'll then have their name and the comment, and you can change the format of this as well. So it's quite good. So what you can do is if you right click, you can click the options, and you can actually change the colours for the text. You can change the colours for the background to the comment and all sorts of things. So if you've got sort of certain brand styles that you want to use and you know the hexadecimal codes or the RGB or whatever, you can actually put those in here. So this actually uses hex colours. So if I wanted to change the message chat colour, then I can do that here.